Hey guys, let's discuss new problem from stack and queue topic, and the problem is finding the valid parenthesis. Okay, so you would be given one string, something like this. So here is the string, right? So let me take that string. It's something like this. So if you see, this string is perfectly valid. Okay, so for each open bracket, there is a associated close bracket with it. So this one with this one with this one, and this one with this one. Okay, so how you will solve it? Very easy. You will create one stack. Okay, if it is opening bracket means we have taken here three kinds of brackets. Okay, like this one, and this one. So if it is opening bracket, we will push it into stack. Okay, so for example, your string is something like this. So yeah, this is opening bracket, so you will push it into the stack. Again opening and again opening, and when it is closing bracket, okay, when this closing bracket came, let's say, so what you will do, you will you will use the function stack.pick to get the top of the stack. Okay, you will check for this closing bracket, is its equivalent opening bracket is there or not on the pick whether it is a pick element or not. Okay, is the top or not. So if I for this one I will do top. Okay, and yeah, this is correct, this is the matching one. Okay, so what I will do, I will just do stack.pop. So I will remove this I will remove this bracket. Okay, then again this one will come. Okay, and here you have nothing. Fine. So now here this one came, so this one will be the top of the stack. Okay, yeah, this is correct, it is matching opening bracket for this particular closed bracket, right? So I will remove this bracket using pop. Okay, now my top is pointing here. Okay, now my top is pointing this one, and then this one is done. So this bracket came, closing bracket, right? Last one. So yeah, opening bracket it is its equivalent, and then I will pop this bracket also. So my stack will be empty. Okay, my stack will be empty. So return stack.empty. Okay, if it is true, then it means it is a valid parenthesis, otherwise not. Okay, so in code also we are doing the same. You are getting one input string, you are creating one stack. Okay, you are iterating that string and taking character one by one. You are checking if it is an opening bracket, then you are pushing it into the stack, and otherwise if it is closing bracket, then you're checking that stack is empty. If it is true, then return false, means this is not a valid string. Otherwise you will check if it is closing bracket, then just find the top of the stack and check if it's equivalent opening bracket is there or not. Okay, if it is there, then do stack.pop. If it is not there, then return false, and at the end just return stack.isEmpty. That's it. Thank you.